What's up, suckers? This video here is going to be about female attraction and how to get it. And now that you're watching this video, you gotta know the first step. Might seem counterintuitive, but if you want to get something, you have to ignore it. So like so many videos you have already seen,
ignore it.
Okay, that's the first step. Don't look for female validation or female attention at all, because when you look for it, that's when you don't get it. You just look desperate. Any girl who is a 5 all the way to a 10, bruh, she just have so many options every single day that you're just wallpaper. You're just another wallflower to her. And so she's not seeing you. So don't look for it. What you gotta do, and I'm gonna give you 2 steps. What you gotta do is you gotta work on yourself. And the more you work on yourself and you ignore it, you forget about getting attention from the ladies, even when you ignore her, you're still gonna get it. Because like the more you improve, the more they go to you. You just have to build it and they will come. You have to work now with this new frame of mind. This is how it works out there. You gotta build yourself. So once you got this right, you're not looking for attention anymore because you're just so focused on yourself, and you made yourself your primary, utmost important project of your life. Number 2, what you gotta do, you gotta be buff, bro. And as you work on yourself, obviously you're working on your body, so you gotta be buff. And there are a couple of reasons why you want to be huge, or at least you want to look jacked, like you got enough muscle, you got wide shoulders. And the first reason is girls are just attracted to muscles. We all know that. That's basic. But the important thing here is you're going to stop looking like a kid and you're going to start looking more like a man. Because when you develop the body, your face changes also. And that's when you're no longer just a little kid and you look more manly, you look more dominant, more masculine. So it's more polarizing. You want to be polarizing. And so you gotta be buff, and the other reason why you want it is because you're intimidating to other guys, and this sends a subconscious signal to her, like, I can protect you. She'll feel safe around you, and they need to be safe. They need to be safe around you. So that's number 2. So 1, ignore. 2, be buff. You gotta work on yourself. Number 3 is you gotta dress nicely. Now that you're bigger and you're buffer, you're going to be filling out your shirts more so we can see more shape. And the way that you see a girl and she has that glass shape and you're like attracted to it, she's attracted to you if you have the V taper, where your shoulders have a ratio of 1.67 compared to your waist. So wide shoulders is great. You want it. So when you dress up, bro, you want to dress your style, something that feels authentic to you, and you gotta dress to express. You can dress for impression as well, but you definitely want to express who you are. So if you're about that alpha life, then you gotta dress alpha. Look up online how people are dressing, what's working for them. Get inspiration. Do not copy. Get inspiration from them and see what works with you. And lastly, to wrap up this package here, this video for you, is you gotta smell godly. If you want, the quickest and fastest way to improve your attraction right now is to smell really good. You gotta find a perfume that works for you, because after the date with the lady, she's gonna smell your perfume on her clothes, and she's not gonna wash it for 2 weeks, bruh. 2 weeks, she's gonna be sleeping with her clothes. She's gonna be thinking of you. That's how you creep in her mind and you stay there, and she's fantasizing about you, bruh. So you gotta smell good, all right? Don't look for attention. Don't look for it. It will just come to you. Work on yourself. Number 2, be buff. Gain weight. Number 3, dress well. Wrap up your package yourself and smell really good. So that's all for this video. I appreciate your attention and you watching, tuning into my channel. This is Leonardo signing off. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, guys. You just gotta press record. Fucking shit.